Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and are staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. So as you have read by the title, it's gonna be a Nykaa haul. I was very skeptical if I should do this video or not, to a point where I decided I'm not gonna do a video. But then I really wanted to because I am a person who loves watching hauls and it kind of gives me recommendations also on what I should buy next. So I posted this story on my Instagram asking you guys if you all will be interested in the Nykaa haul, and 93% of you guys said yes, voted for yes, which is a quite good number. So I thought now that I have got validation, I'm gonna shoot this video. So here I am shooting a Nykaa haul for you guys. So if that is something that interests you, then keep on watching. First product that we have is, not everything is makeup related, so just keep that in mind. So first thing is Nivea Shea Smooth Body Milk Body Lotion, whatever. This is how it looks like. I love lotions which have pump in it so that you have like a control of amount you're using. It's just that's how my brain functions. And one good thing about this moisturizer is it does not have very hard smell to it. I do not like any moisturizer or oils or anything which have hard fragrance. I do not like perfumes or deos also with hard fragrance. I like fragrance to be nice and mild because ज़्यादा hard होने से मेरा सर दुखने लगता है. That's how I am. So इसका hard नहीं है, it's very mild, so that is something that I love. Also it is saying here that is meant for dry skin. I don't know if that is true or not क्योंकि मैंने इसको भी एक दिन ही यूज़ किया है. So let's see how it turns out. Next product is this Biotique Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Face Wash. This is how it looks like. This time I bought quite a few Biotique products. I have used one or two of their face washes, but I have not tried any more products. So this time I really wanted to try कि Biotique के products कैसे होते हैं and stuff like that. So this is the face wash that I bought. This is very inexpensive. Biotique products are very inexpensive. I personally feel that. Next thing that I bought is again of Biotique. This is Biotique Biofruit Tan Removal Face Pack फेस मास्क. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड मैं जब भी बैंगलोर जाती हूँ ना और मैं धूप में ज़्यादा निकलती हूँ तो मेरे को टैन हो जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा. तो मैं उसी टाइम सोची थी कि मैं ये फेस पैक खरीदूँगी, बट देन लॉकडाउन हैपेंड एंड देन आई केम हियर एट माई होम. सो यहाँ पे आके आई थॉट अब तो मुझे ये खरीदना ही है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. आई हैव नॉट ट्राइड इट. if I will try this, I will obviously try this. I have bought this पैसा लेके तो मैं try तो करूँगी. So whenever I'll try this, I'll let you know on my Instagram. By the way, this is my Instagram. Go and follow me over there also. So yeah, this is the face pack. One more and last Biotique product is this toner. So this is Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters and so on and so forth. So this is how it looks like, and I don't know, I really wanted to try different toners because my holy grail Himalaya toner वो भी मैंने खरीदा है. I'll show it to you just in a second. So I use that only because it's very affordable and very nice, but I wanted to try different toners. So this is the toner that I bought. I have used it once, I guess. Yes, I have used it once. तो मैं अभी और उसको यूज़ करके I'll tell you how it turns out for me in some of my vlog, or you can check my Instagram to see any updates. Next I bought my holy grail Himalaya का toner. Yes, मैंने 2 toner खरीदा इस बार. I just wanted to check that one out, और अगर वो अच्छा नहीं निकलता तो I was like ठीक है, मेरा destock हो जाएगा ये वाला toner. ये मैंने 2-3 बार यूज़ कर लिया. You can see ये थोड़ा सा इतना खाली हो गया है. So this toner is amazing. मैंने अपने कितने सारे दोस्तों को ये खरीदवाया. Even my guy friends also, I have made them buy this because this is so nice. It is very inexpensive and does the work for you. So yeah, this is the toner that I bought. Next thing that I bought was this Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. So मेरे पास स्क्रब नहीं था कोई, तो मुझे ये खरीदना था. एंड दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. दिस वर्क्स नाइस. एक वाओ स्किन का भी एक कोई फेस स्क्रब है, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, पर दिस इज़ ऑल्सो रियली नाइस. बायोटिक का भी फेस स्क्रब अच्छा है, पर ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. Now that we are talking about this, we'll only talk about this. This scrub is really nice, and yeah, I do not have anything to say about it because I have used these products once or twice, so I do not know how will they work. So yeah, this is nice. एक बार यूज़ किया, मुझे अच्छा लगा. I'll tell you in my Instagram or in any of my further vlogs. Now I bought one more thing. This is Bare Body Essentials का neck and back cream. It exfoliates, brightens and nourishes your neck and back. So I really wanted to buy this and see how this works. So yeah, abhi now that I'm checking, this is out of stock, but I will still link it down below so that you guys can, whenever it restocks, and if you want you can buy this. मैंने अभी तक इसको सील भी नहीं खोला है, मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है. Yes, this is still sealed pack, so I don't know ये. Oh, it smells really nice. खुशबू तो बहुत अच्छी है, बट आई विल ट्राई दिस एंड देन आई लेट यू नो. बट दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. दिस वॉज अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव. आई मीन इट्स बेयर बॉडी एसेंशियल्स, सो इट हैज़ टू बी. बट देन इतना छोटा इज फॉर अराउंड 450 और समथिंग. सो या, keep that in mind. Next, I bought few makeup products. First thing is I wanted to try Swiss Beauty. मैंने Swiss Beauty का कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं यूज किया. मैंने आज तक स्विस ब्यूटी का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं यूज़ किया था. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई इट एंड दिस इज़ वन पैलेट दैट आई बॉट. One thing that I love about this palette is it's very compact, you know. If I have to go to a wedding or a function or something, and if I have to carry a palette with me, this will be the palette that I will carry with me. And it has all moderate amount of shades that you will need for a party or a function. So yeah, this is the makeup palette that I bought. Also, if you want to see this eyeshadow palette in action, then on my Instagram I have made a makeup related video in which I have used this eyeshadow palette and more 3 products that I'm going to be showing you right after this. I have used all 3 of them in that video, so I will link that video also in the description box below, so you guys can go and see how this works. So yeah, next makeup product that I bought is again from Swiss Beauty. This is Intense Gel Kajal in the shade turquoise. This is how it looks. मेरा बहुत दिन से मन था ये टर्कोइज कलर का काजल खरीदने का, और मुझे डार्क ब्लू कलर का काजल भी खरीदना है. I did not buy it because it was out of stock or something like that, but this is how it is. I am just gonna give you a quick swatch. See, can you see how pretty this is? I'm so happy that I bought this. Another Swiss Beauty product that I bought is this liquid eyeshadow in the shade 09 Paradise is the shade, and this is also amazing. I'm gonna give a swatch of this as well to you guys. इसको भी मैंने यूज़ किया है. मैंने वो पैलेट, काजल और ये तीनों यूज़ करके एक इंस्टाग्राम वीडियो बनाया है जिसको मैं लिंक कर दूँगी. So this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see or not, but this is a nice copperish shade if I have to define it or something. So yeah, then I restocked on my holy grail again, Lakme Insta liner. This is like the liner I've been using my entire life, and I am in no way, shape or form trying to give up on this and try something new because I'm still gonna use it in near future. So yeah, then I bought few things, I mean 2-3 things from Amazon, and क्योंकि वो बहुत कम चीज़ें हैं तो उसके लिए मैं अलग से वीडियो नहीं बनाना चाहती थी, so I'm gonna show them here also, so do not mind. First thing from Amazon that I bought is this Awesome Desire perfume spray. Now अगर आपने मेरा What's in my bag वीडियो देखा है, then you guys know that मेरे पास इतना छोटा सा था इसका सेम. It will be somewhere here also. Yes, see, so ये दोनों सेम है. So ये मेरे पास था पहले से. जब मैं इसको मैं अपने बैग में रखती हूँ, ये मुझे इतना पसंद है ना. This is almost over, so I thought of restocking on it, and this is the big bottle that I bought. So yeah, next I have a lot of nail paints, like a lot of nail paints. So I do not need to buy nail paints as of now, but मैंने ये देखा and then I couldn't stop myself. So मेरे साथ है ना, I only wear either very dark or quirky shades or very nude shades, you know. There is no in between with me. So ये मैंने एक nail paint खरीदा है. This is from Blue Heaven and इसका shade है 303 Lilac Lace. Lilac जैसा तो कोई शेड नहीं है इसका, to be really honest, but then it is a nice shade. This is what I'm wearing on my nails right now. This is a nice nudish shade. And yeah, those were all the items that I bought. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. And I'm gonna see you on next Monday or Friday. Bye!